Shameful. All of you, absolutely shameful. Our Father has granted you a path to salvation, and yet you stray away from it at every opportunity. You drink, gamble, you covet, you steal. Shameful. Let the light of Inarius burn away your wickedness. Let not temptation keep you from his holy radiance. Let righteousness sear away your corruption and sin. Cast out thy darkness, brothers and sisters, for only light must remain. Since time immemorial, the angels have waged the eternal conflict to defeat the forces of darkness, corruption. Their unity made an indomitable force for the light, righteousness, angels, demons. I fear, brothers and sisters, that their conflict will soon engulf our world again. And when it does, what hope can there be when even the wrath of angels cannot be quenched? If humanity is to survive this, we must stand together and face the rising darkness. If we do not, the worst will come for all of us.
Sin is your birthright.
No. No, it cannot be. The daughter of hatred. Oh, blessed Inarius, protect us. Protect us, my father.
My children, the lords of hell are coming to devour our world. Salvation lies not in the light, but in you. Open your eyes. There is no light here. You come to the darkness for knowledge, and all the knowledge you seek is here with me.
No, don't listen to her. My children, you must stay on the path of the light.
Faith has taught you to deny your heart's desire and turned you into a prisoner within yourself.
Lies. Oh.
Break the chains and be beautiful.
No, Bonnie.
In sin.
I brought your children into this world. You can't. No!
The first of many. Go to the dry steps and continue your preparations. Now, our true work begins.